Gusto mo bang magkabahay? Diyos kabalay.
Isa ka bang OFW, seaman, BPO na locally employed or virtual assistant freelancer na naghahanap ng hulugan to own o abot kayang house and lot dito sa Cavite? I have for you our Eudora Homes. Here is a township community na kitang-kita nyo naman na napakaganda ng ating community dito. May swimming pool, clubhouse, playground, and here are covered basketball court. Is that what you want, Kabalay? Now, samahan niyo po ako sa ating house tour.
Gusto mo bang magkabahay? Diyos kabalay.